gonna make a 3D printer button yeeps. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, sorry about that. My screen recording is for some reason failed when I do it half of my videos. But these are the blocks that you need.
But here's are the blocks that you need. So first, you're gonna place buttons.
Like if you
next, these two things,
I don't know what they're called.
Wireless receiver and the wireless transmitter.
Then you need an
item cannon. This is an item cannon, and then a pillow put in the item cannon. Any color, by the way.
Yeah, who cares?
So yeah, let's go to you guys when we set it up.
Okay, guys, we are
okay. So we just finished it. Yeah, we finished it. We had to add a few more wiring things, but here it is.
Yeah, so let's go. So
we're just gonna build a simple cube.
It's a
Okay, this is not the cue I intended. There, we need the cue.
And then
you can just paint these any color you want.
And then also, if you want to, you can make it a double layer if you want to.
Yeah, and then you can also clear it.
Yeah.
We're gonna add,
Let me see.
We're gonna put these inventions inside of a community role that I'm making.
Yeah, okay guys, so I think I did it, so, okay guys, I actually fixed the wirings, these, all of those were messed up, but I fixed them. So, let me make a simple cube for you guys. Now I made a simple cube, but then...
Let me make something,
No. Do I not think what he's about in it? Okay guys, I'm gonna blur this out. So guys, now let me
I'm gonna make a cube. Oh frick! I hate you. I'm gonna make a penis for that. Beat that out, beat that out.
I was trying to make a smiley face.
You did. Beat that out, what I said. Beat it out.
Boom, boom!
I'm gonna make a smiley face.
Yeah, that's good. But for now, because it's a test thing. Okay guys, will he make a sad face? Yeah, I think he should. Wait, are you making the Great Wall of China?
No.
Wait, so we can make like a simple house.
Oh yeah, you can make a house.
Okay guys, let me make like a little house.
And you're gonna trap me inside of it.
Yes, sir.
What did I do? Help me! Help! Help! I'm suffocating!
He's dead. Okay, guys, if you like that tutorial, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, bye.